Hi legal professionals, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Here at Legally Techie, we show you how to use Google Workspace for your law firm or solo practice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Google form responses into a Google Sheet. And this is great because you can quickly analyze the data and also see the data in a way that is more easily read. So now that you have your responses, hopefully there are many, you can click the button right here to view in Google Sheet. Once you click that button, a Google Sheet has been created. Following the questions as the columns, you're able to see when the forms were submitted, the information that was provided, and so forth. And of course, while you're here, you can go ahead and manipulate the data. You can put filters, whatever you need to analyze a lot of information at one time. So thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you.